Hello friends, welcome back. Let's start the reading today, friends. Let's see what's the current feeling of your partner, what your person is going through right now. We will see that. Continue the cards opening. Eight of Pentacles, Magician, and Two of Pentacles. At present, your person is actually quite busy in their work. Actually, they have having lot of work. I feel this kind of, they are getting engrossed in lot of work. They are working very hard on themselves. You can say they are working very hard on themselves, and they are manifesting something in their life. Definitely some big material thing they are manifesting in their life. Since my Two of Pentacles have come, they have two options in their work process or work thing. So they are manifesting something in their personal life, some material thing they are manifesting. A person is working very hard and manifesting something big, or maybe a big job they may be manifesting, or a promotion they be manifesting, or they may be manifesting a big business opportunity. This kind of feeling I am, or they are thinking of starting something new, that's for sure, because the Pentacle card is coming and they are working very hard for that. At present, your person is busy with all those things. Yeah, your person, yeah, actually your person is waiting from very long time for this thing to happen. Whatever thing they are thinking in their life, or personal business thing or something, anything important, something important, they are waiting for a very long time, that's for sure. And they have kept a lot of strength for this. They have worked very hard and they have kept a very long strength, long, you can say long struggle to gain what they are want to gain right now. At present, they are working on that. And the Moon card, but the Moon card is saying that things got delayed very much from past so many years. Your person is working, and all those things got delayed in your person's life, the material thing or whatever thing they are manifesting at present, those things got delayed, and now the things are coming to surface, and they are, that all those things they want in life is coming in their lifetime, you can say. This is all material cards are coming, business related cards are coming. Yeah, at present, whichever relationship your person is, a 10 of cups, the card is coming, and the 5 of wands, there are a lot of conflicts in that relationship. I could say them, some kind of mental conflict between two persons, or your person or third party, or your person or in family members. Some kind of conflict is going on in your person's family, I could say that. And they are thinking of leaving all those things that are not serving him or her, or they are planning to shift some another place, or they are shifting, moving places. This could be quite possible, because there is lot of conflict in the family at present. Maybe it can be parents also, or it can be third party also, it can be anyone. But some if your person is already married, then I could say with the third with the spouse of that person. If your person is not married and he's unmarried, he or she is unmarried, and they are staying with their family, so I feel with the family members they are having lot of conflicts right now, and they want to come out of all these things. So they may be thinking of shifting to a new place because of their job, because they're manifesting, if they are manifesting a job, they are thinking of shifting to the new place. They're thinking of a new job at a new place, so that they can move away from all this situation. Or if because of business purpose, they may be thinking of traveling somewhere or moving to that place, so that they could avoid all this kind of conflicts in their life, whichever is going, because this kind of conflict is draining your person. Your person is getting drained because of this kind of conflict. At present, the third party also, they are not very happy, and with the third party also they are not happy, and the situation at home also is the same thing. Then the person is not liking all these things, and if the third party is only harassing them, so they are not liking it at all. So they just see how they want to move away completely from this place, completely, maybe if shifting to another place also. It is quite possible a person must be shifting to another place also. This is the kind of energy a person I am getting from. Yeah, a person definitely thinks of marriage. If he or she was already married, you just see how a person in the past they were happy in that relationship. If they were married, if they are not married, then they definitely think about getting married and planning. They must be planning something. Just a queen of swords. How this person is thinking a lot, how to start a new life, how to get married, and how to be happy in the relationship. This kind of feeling is also surfacing in a person's mind. This also is going on in a person's mind. Yeah, your person actually, there's four of swords. Actually, now at present, they are healing something, heartache or something. Whatever conflict that is going on in their life, they are trying to heal that situation. Four of swords is a card of healing. So your person wants to heal the situation. Because of that, they want to move away from that place so that they can heal this situation. They want to heal their situation, and they are taking judgment for this because they want peace in their life, happiness in their life. Whomever they want to be with, they want that person to be happy with them. So they are taking a judgment on this, what they want, what they should do right now, whether they should move away from this place, or how to move away from this place of conflict. They are continuously planning this, and they want to be happy. Whatever thing they want to do in life, they want to be happy. Either it's you or a third party or their family members, they want everyone to be happy. They want everyone to be happy. See, a person is completely victim mentality. They are thinking that they have been victim all their life. Whoever is giving them torture or whoever is conflicting with them, they are thinking they are always the victim in the situation. They feel this way, but they are trying to grow and they are trying to overcome this situation. I told you that they are concentrating more on their material life, whether a job or a finance or a business, something like that. They want to grow that so that they can come out of this situation, and they are recovering from this situation. Definitely they are recovering from this situation. They are coming out of this situation. They want to move out of the conflicts that are surrounding them, and they are working very hard for that, moving away from the conflicts. That's for sure. Okay friends, how do you like my reading? Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks a lot.